Hello everyone. Good morning, and this is Harsh Srivastava from Gravitas AI, and with me I've got Mr. Devyoti Ghosh from Joya Surgicals. So today we are here to discuss a bit about conversational AI and how things have been doing in terms of revolutionizing surgical device segment with conversational AI. So Mr. Devyoti Ghosh is owner of one of the leading companies in surgical device segment, and that's Joya Surgicals, based out of headquartered at Kolkata. So we'll be today trying to have some insights from Mr. Devjyoti Ghosh about how he has adopted artificial intelligence and why the industry should be looking into this. So welcome, Mr. Devjyoti Ghosh today. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, Ajay, and thank you for having me on this live session. Yeah.
All right.
So,
So to start with, Mr. Devjyoti, can you help us a bit and to know a bit about Joya Surgicals? It's a known name in surgical device segment and headquartered at Kolkata. So can you help us know a bit more about Joya Surgicals? So what is the actual business? How it works out in different areas? Yeah.
so basically, Zoja Surgical started in the year 1996. It was started by my father, who was mainly into servicing of the medical devices. So he went to different hospitals, doctors, collected that feedbacks on how, there's a room of constant improvement for the existing practices. That interested him in getting into manufacturing as well. So with constant hunger for a change for the last 3 decades, so he's been working, and now I have also joined along with him. So we are a manufacturer and a supplier, but we mainly focus into research and constant innovation and development in the. So that is what drives us and makes us different from the other sharks in the pool.
All right. You mentioned research and innovation. That's very interesting. So can you throw some light on that?
So, to give an example, um, see, surgeries and medical procedures, the less the better is the basic thing.
Hmm.
So, our daily aim is to reduce at least one step in a procedure so
All
that
right.
the time is minimized, the cost is minimized, everything, can be streamlined. So, we are heading into new ways of cutting all the excess things out there and streamlining things so that everything is minimalized and it is sorted out for the patients as well as the doctors, the hospitals, each and everything. And that is why we're moving ahead with an AI software on us.
That's really great to know. And you very well said that a second or a minute saved in healthcare industry is a life saved. So AI is a known word everywhere. So how do you see its evolution in Indian territory in the coming years?
So, see, AI is something which has been there throughout the time, but in the recent years, it has reached its potential, or maybe some places are left. But in India, we are not still there. We are coming up, and to build that ecosystem, AI needs to be in each and every field because there's no point if it is only there in a healthcare sector or a technology sector. It has to be there in all the fields as a conglomerate so that we can adapt with all the sectors and they can make a synergy out of it. So basically it will help in better research and development than it has already started generating a startup ecosystem in the country. Then it will help in the governance, uh, the political governance maybe, and in various it will help to bridge the gap between the rural and the urban areas. There are various possibilities, endless possibilities with AI. If we have four people sitting in a room brainstorming about a particular topic, if you insert AI into it, there are millions of outcomes.
Yep.
So it is unlimited.
Very true, and like the kind of push that the government is also doing in this sector, especially in the sector of healthcare, agriculture, and a few others, where the government's push is into utilizing artificial intelligence as much as they can, so that it benefits not only the businesses but also in terms of general public. So yeah, that's really commendable. So, in terms of your adoption of conversational AI solution enabled platform, so for enhancing the customer experience and optimizing your processes, so would you like to tell us our views about the solution and how it will benefit Georgia Surgicals?
So conversational AI is the perfect way of getting it utilized and by the end user. So in our case, as we are primarily a seller and the person who is interacting is a buyer, so you need to give him that personalized experience each and every time. And so this conversational AI will not only help them in a regular buying and selling kind of a environment, but it will maintain a good relationship with the customer. They'll feel personalized while they shop from us. Then there is a 24/7 availability of the chatbot, which is restricted to the physical staff we have. Then there is a great chance of scalability we can do with this. We can utilize it. Then maybe there are some physical restrictions we have, like language barriers in certain regions. This AI will eliminate all those issues out there. We'll get great data insights. Yeah,
Hmm.
these are some of the advantages we'll discover in the coming days.
Very well picked up, and I wish you all the best for that. So, how was your experience working with the Gravitas AI team?
So it has been nearly 1 year since the time I got in touch with you guys, and since then, my whatever I had in my vision, you guys really made it a reality today. I feel very blessed to have such a coordinative team like Archie, Santoshi ji, Mukesh ji. So it has been a great time working with you guys, and yeah.
Yeah, it has been indeed a pleasure working with you as well, and we are really looking forward to the solution making a difference for those surgicals, and we'll keep continuing doing that. So, so in terms of device manufacturers and suppliers, like why do you think they should adopt artificial intelligence, chatbots, or platform automation altogether? So maybe a platform of with AI.
So as I told you that if there are four people sitting in a room, there can only be four types of conclusion. Maybe they're thinking in a particular way or something. But when AI comes into that room, there are endless possibilities. And to the first one to grab this advantage will have the competitive advantage over all the others. Then there we can streamline certain activities which we were doing earlier physically, and you know we can. I'll give you an example. So when we are moving with a particular product, so AI can give certain recommendations, certain personalized experiences, and push other products in the basket as well, which makes a very good way of informing the customer what are their availability, what exactly is the need, and which items can actually cater to that. So it is a great way of understanding the customer's mindset, what they exactly require, and suggest the products according.
Yep, definitely. And indeed, it should help in different other aspects like analytics as well. So, any message you want to give to the Georgia Surgical customers or prospects in terms of how they can use this holistic solution, which is being deployed at the Georgia Surgical's website?
So basically, uh, this is the new way it is. Like we are evolving constantly. So does our day-to-day work, and the current processes need to evolve. So if we're not evolving, if we are not changing our old ways, we are stagnant at a point, then I think it is all downhill from there. So we need to constantly go uphill, and we need to try new changes. We need to adapt, and it will be beneficial for both the parties on both the ends. So it is a new experience for them, a personalized, more personalized experience for them, as well as a new way of sustainability for us.
Yeah, definitely. Totally agree with you. And like the saying goes, change is a constant, and it's always good to have a change to move forward ahead. So we definitely need like business visionaries like you who can take who can think in that direction and take the AI bandwagon for its best benefit. So yeah, but that's really great. We are really glad to have you here and a lot of good insights given by you and shared by you. So really thankful for you to join us today on the live session, and we wish you all the best.
Okay. Thank you to enter the Gravitas team, and thank you guys.
Thank you.